Apple Cat, what type of storm brings heavy snowfall?
Blizzard?
Good job, Apple. The answer is blizzard. Maxwell, what is a strong wind that carries sand and dust in the desert?
Sandstorm?
Good job, Maxwell. The answer is sandstorm. Happy Cat, what type of storm has an eye in the center and rotates rapidly?
Hurricane.
Good job, Happy Cat. The answer is hurricane. Banana Cat, what makes it hard to see and looks like a cloud on the ground? Like and subscribe to help Banana Cat. 3, 2, 1.
It's fog.